Welcome to the best picks. The best folding bar stools is probably one of the most sought-after furniture pieces for modern homes and stylish bars, offering a perfect blend of comfort, space-saving design, and aesthetic appeal. This comprehensive guide will walk you through everything you need to know before buying, helping you choose the perfect folding bar stool to match your style and needs, from considering the material and construction to evaluating the height, weight capacity, and overall design. Number 5. Linon Keira Counter Stool. This stylish and functional stool is perfect for your kitchen or bar. Its rich espresso finish and comfortable padded seat will add a touch of elegance to any space. It's the ideal height for most counters and bars, providing comfortable seating for all your guests. Enjoy comfortable seating at the perfect height. The dark brown vinyl seat is not only easy to clean but also incredibly durable, able to withstand daily use. It's built to last and easy to maintain. It's sturdy and reliable, supporting up to 250 pounds. You can confidently seat yourself and your guests. This space-saving design folds flat for easy storage when not in use. It's perfect for smaller spaces and easy to put away. With front and rear supports, it offers superior stability and safety. You can relax and enjoy your time knowing it's secure. It arrives fully assembled, ready to use right out of the box. Simply unpack and enjoy your new stool immediately. What we like? It folds away easily for compact storage, and its sturdy build ensures stability. If you need extra seating that's easy to put away, this is a great option. Its high weight capacity makes it suitable for various body types. Number 4. Linon Triena X Counter Stool. This stylish stool features a smooth brown faux leather seat and a rich merlot finish. It's perfect for adding extra seating to your kitchen or home bar. The padded seat ensures comfortable seating, and its foldable design makes storage a breeze. Simply fold it away when not in use. With a seat height of 24 inches, it's the ideal complement to counters or tables between 28 and 30 inches high. It's designed for optimal comfort and usability. Front and rear supports provide excellent stability, supporting up to 225 pounds. You can confidently use it without worry. The unique X-back design adds a touch of elegance to any space. It will beautifully complement your kitchen, dining area, or home bar. It arrives fully assembled. Just unfold the legs, and it's ready to use in any room of your house. What we like? This stool features a stylish merlot finish and an elegant X-back design. If you're looking to add a touch of sophistication to your space, this is the perfect choice. Its stable build ensures comfortable and safe seating for all your guests. What people say? More than reasonably comfortable, match the table height perfectly, and were very reasonably priced. Even though they're meant to fold up and store away, they are very stable, no wobble noticed at all. Big enough for 6 feet 3 inches son to sit on a comfortably and padded seat, and deep enough for older person to sit comfortably. Sturdy, well made, easy to unfold. They are nicely padded, comfortable, and a great alternative to wooden folding chairs or stools. They have a decent weight to them, so they feel sturdy, too. Number 3. EventStable TitanPRO Stool. It's built to last. This sturdy stool can hold up to 350 pounds, thanks to its premium metal construction. You'll enjoy its reliable stability for years to come. All-day comfort is key. The backrest provides excellent support, making it perfect for everyday use. You'll appreciate its thoughtful design. Storage is a breeze. It folds up easily and requires minimal space, ideal for small areas. You can quickly put it away when not in use. With dimensions of 17.5 by 17.5 by 37 inches, it's perfectly sized for various settings. The non-marring foot glides protect your floors. It's a stylish addition to any space. The minimalist black design adds a touch of chic. And when folded, 44 foot, x 19, x 5, it's even easier to store. What we like? With its robust construction and comfortable design, it's built to last and provide all-day comfort. If you need a durable and comfortable stool for frequent use, this is ideal. Its space-saving foldable design is perfect for smaller areas. What people say? It's solidly built and it's not going to make you feel like you'll lose your balance. It's pretty heavy. It's taller than regular folding chairs. This is more a bar stool height, so be warned. It puts the user in a nice upright position. That low back support works really well, catching the lumbar area of your back. The seat is a hard plastic, but it is ergonomically shaped so it doesn't get uncomfortable. It folds up nicely, like a folding chair, though a little longer, and slides into my vehicle without using much room. This version is the sturdiest folding chair I own. It's a little bit hefty, but it stores nice and flat and it's easy enough to travel with in my car. Number 2. Giantex Folding Wicker Bar Chairs. It features a strong steel frame, ensuring stability and durability. This makes it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The natural wicker material is not only beautiful but also breathable, making it comfortable even on warm days. It's also incredibly durable for long-lasting use. Enjoy added comfort and security with the included armrests and footrest. These features provide extra support, especially at bar height. Its convenient folding design saves valuable space. Despite its sturdy build, it's lightweight and easy to move, making it perfect for any occasion. The ergonomic backrest provides exceptional comfort and support. Lean back and relax, it's the perfect companion for your leisure time. What we like? This set offers comfort and durability with its ergonomic backrest, sturdy steel frame, and natural wicker material. If you value comfort and durability, this is the one for you. The foldable design makes it easy to store and transport. What people say? I didn't need to assemble anything. It's easy to fold up and store away, and it's the perfect height. Very sturdy and weather resistant. Bought these because it was difficult to find a 24-inch seat height chair for a patio. They are great. Perfect height for my bistro table, comfortable, sturdy, and easy to fold up and store for the winter. These were perfect for additional seating at my bar height dining room table. Also, I was concerned about how well they would hold up with heavier people, and they performed well and felt sturdy. Number 1. Christopher Knight Home Tundra Barstools. Get ready to enjoy your outdoor space with this stylish and convenient barstool set. They're perfect for entertaining or relaxing, and easily fold away for storage. These barstools are crafted from durable acacia and teak wood, ensuring long-lasting quality and a beautiful natural finish. It's built to withstand the elements. No more complicated assembly. These barstools arrive fully assembled, so you can start enjoying them right away. When not in use, they fold flat for compact storage, saving you valuable space. They're easy to move and store away. With their sturdy construction and comfortable seat dimensions, these barstools provide a perfect blend of style and comfort. You'll love relaxing on them. Each barstool measures 21.5 inches deep, 15 inches wide, and 41.25 inches high. The seat itself is 13.5 inches deep, 15 inches wide, and 30.75 inches high. Plenty of room to relax. What we like? Made from natural acacia teak wood, it brings a touch of nature to your space. If you prefer a natural aesthetic and sturdy construction, this is a perfect choice. Its foldable design allows for easy storage when not in use. What people say? They are sturdy and came already put together. They are comfortable to sit in and fold up if you need to store them. Well made, nice teak look, easy to fold up store. It took a while to find a bar height chair for outdoors that had a back, a footrest, could stay on the deck all summer, and was light enough to actually fold up and carry elsewhere, that won't take up much space when stored for the winter. They arrived in perfect condition. Very well packaged and no assembly required. So far so good, hoping these last a few years exposed to elements. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.